Hello friends, this is the entire cell. The nucleus, cytoplasm get condenses, the nuclear membrane, plasma membrane disintegrates and cell organelles destruct and cell undergoes death. The process is called apoptosis. This process is a natural process. It is very important to remove certain kind of tissues, organs. In the developmental stages of frog, the tail in the tadpole stage get removed by a process that is a apoptosis. So in a organ sculpting, in a embryonic development, the unwanted tissues get dead, removed by apoptosis process, and fingers get separated. So the apoptosis is very important in the growth and development of animals as well as in the plants. So what is the apoptosis that we are going to learning in this lecture? So for this purpose, you all are welcome in my channel College Botany online free learning. You are learning the apoptosis with Yuvraj. Apoptosis is also called programmed cell death. It is taking place during the growth and development. Some of the cells get eliminated by natural process from culture media, the bacteria, then the mycoplasma also undergoing the apoptosis. The apoptosis is for control over cell number and maintain natural physiological balance. It is also taking place during the embryonic development, in organ formation, tissue development, and the overall the process is genetic programmed and operate through the physiological reactions. The apoptosis was firstly observed by the scientist Walter Fleming in 1845. The definition of apoptosis is the process of natural death which is required to stop functioning of protoplasmic system and to remove unwanted cell by genetically controlled reaction is called apoptosis. This is also called programmed cell death. The process how actually it is happens here, the nucleus and cytoplasm of a cell get condenses, then cell membrane get disintegrate to form the small vesicles, then the DNA, that is nuclear collapse takes place, DNA fragmentation takes place, and the cell organelles disintegrated. The small fragment of a cell get formed, the phagocytosis taking place, and the cell removed from the tissue system. The mechanism of apoptosis is get start from the growth promoting factors. These growth promoting factors stimulate, give signals to the receptors. The receptors are present in the plasma membrane of a cell. The receptor release the enzyme protease. Then the protease enzymes comes in the mitochondria. Mitochondria release the cytochrome. The cytochrome C responsible for cut of energy in the mitochondria. Then destruction of cell membrane takes place. cell organelles and cell structure takes place and apoptosis happen. There are two mechanisms, internal mechanism and external mechanisms. The significance of apoptosis are as follows. The programmed cell death or the apoptosis is used to kill the cells for three different reasons. That is for proper development and internal stability of tissue system or organs or a plant or animal body. It is also useful for defense against the pathogen as well as stress in the plant animal body as well as in culture media, and it is for aging or senescence process. However, the cells which are generally killed by the apoptosis are no functions. Sometimes excess cells are also eliminated through apoptosis. Not healthy or improper developed cells are also eliminated, and harmful and some cells needed to be eliminated are also eliminated by a process of apoptosis. So this is all about the apoptosis. Thank you very much.